Welcome student. I am going to teach chemistry of class 8 chapter 2. The name of the chapter is physical and chemical change. Topic of this chapter is first physical properties. It is associated with physical change which can be determined by simple physical observation. Next, chemical properties. It is associated with chemical change can be determined by chemical reaction. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज डिटरमाइन उसके फिजिकल ऑब्जर्वेशन से किया जाता है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज का डिटर्मिनेशन उसके केमिकल रिएक्शन से किया जाता है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज. फर्स्ट, इट इज टेम्पररी चेंज. नेक्स्ट, इट इज रिवर्सिबल चेंज. No new substance are produced. There is no energy change and no change in mass. इसमें में फिजिकल चेंज होने के बाद भी उसका एनर्जी में कोई चेंज नहीं होता है और मास में भी कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ. जैसे मास ऑफ वाटर का 1 kg वाटर फॉर्म्स 1 kg आइस. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज: मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, boiling of water, magnetization of iron, melting of wax, melting of butter. Now I am going to discuss characteristic of chemical change. It is irreversible change. It is a permanent change. New substances are produced. There is a gain or loss of energy. The composition of substances change. For example, of chemical change: rusting of iron, refining of fruit, burning of coal, cutting of fruit, butter turning rancid. Next topic of this chapter: chemical reaction. When one or more substance undergo a chemical change with the absorption and liberation of energy so as to form one or more new product, then the change is called chemical reaction. जब कोई भी सब्सटेंस केमिकल चेंज में जाता है, उसमें चेंज जब होता है जब उसमें अब्जॉर्प्शन एंड लिबरेशन ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस एग्जाम्पल ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन: C plus O2, CO2 plus heat energy. Here liberation of heat energy. Next example: CaCO3, heat is observed, then it breaks Ca plus CO2. Here absorption of heat energy. Now I am going to discuss conditions for chemical reactions: close contact, heat, light, electricity, catalyst, inhibitors, promoter, concentration of reactant. First conditions of chemical reaction is close contact. A chemical reaction in which the substances are brought in close contact. For example, when sodium comes in contact with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next conditions are heat. Some reaction occurs only by heat. When iron heated with sulfur to form iron sulfide. Next, when we heat potassium chlorate to form potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Next condition: light. Some reaction occur only by light. When hydrogen reacts with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight to form hydrochloric acid. Next, when carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of sunlight to form glucose and oxygen. This reaction is also called photosynthesis. Next condition, pressure. Some reaction take place only when the reactant subjected to high pressure. For example, formation of ammonia when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen at 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure to form ammonia gas. Next condition, electricity. Some reaction occurs when an electric discharge is passed. This reaction is also called electrolysis. When we pass electric current through acidulated water to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next, when we pass electric current through NaCl to form Na plus plus Cl minus. Next example, when we pass electric current through copper sulfate, it decomposes it into Cu plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. Next condition, catalyst. A catalyst can increase or decrease the rate of reaction without itself undergoing in any change. For example, when we in KClO3, catalyst decompose in potassium chloride, form potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Two topics related with catalyst, promoter or inhibitor. Promoter means it is increase the efficiency of catalyst. यह कैटेलिस्ट के पावर को इंक्रीज करता है. एग्जाम्पल मोलिब्डेनम. नेक्स्ट इनहिबिटर, इट डिक्रीज द इफिशियंसी ऑफ कैटेलिस्ट. ये कैटेलिस्ट की इफिशियंसी को घटाता है या रेट ऑफ फास्ट रिएक्शन को स्लो करता है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल D2O, ड्यूटोरियम ऑक्साइड, यूज्ड इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर टू स्लो द रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट condition, concentration of the reaction. When the concentration of reaction increase, the rate of reaction increase. जब किसी भी रिएक्शन में कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज करता है तो रिएक्शन करने की कैपेसिटी भी इंक्रीज कर जाता है, रेट इंक्रीज करता है. मोर इज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट, मोर इज द नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन एंड फास्टर इज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. किसी भी रिएक्शन में कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होता है तो उसका नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन भी ज्यादा होगा और रिएक्शन फास्ट होगा.